How to back up and restore sticky keys settings in Windows. Tired of manually setting up keyboard preferences? This video demonstrates how to back up a user's sticky keys settings and apply them to any Windows device in just a few clicks. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What are sticky keys? Sticky keys is an accessibility feature in Windows that helps users execute keyboard shortcuts by pressing keys one at a time instead of simultaneously. It's a key tool for improving user experience, especially for those who need an easier way to use hotkeys. Backing up these settings is essential because it preserves user preferences and allows them to be restored easily after a system update or data loss. How to back up sticky keys settings. You can back up a user's sticky keys settings using the registry editor. First, press Win+R, type regedit, and hit enter. Navigate to H key, current user, control panel, accessibility, sticky keys. Next, right-click on the sticky keys key and select export. Finally, choose a save location, give the file a descriptive name like user_sticky_keys_settings.reg and click save. This creates a backup file you can use later on. How to restore sticky keys settings. There are 3 methods you can use. The easiest way is to reth through the File Explorer. Simply navigate to where you saved the backup file and double-click it. When prompted by UAC, click Yes and then OK to approve the registry changes. Another method is through the registry editor itself. First, sign into the user's account, open regedit, and go to File, Import. Select your backup file and press Enter. For advanced users, you can use PowerShell with this command. Remember to replace file name with your file's name. Advanced tips and troubleshooting. To ensure a smooth process, here are some important tips and solutions for any issues you might encounter with your sticky keys settings. When modifying sticky keys settings, remember that backups are per user. Always exercise caution and create a system backup before making registry changes. If you run into trouble, check if you have administrator rights, as this is a common issue. If sticky keys won't turn on, you may need to enable it in Settings, Ease of Access, or check the Flags key in the registry editor. If a backup fails to import, verify the file isn't corrupted and ensure you have the correct permissions. Managing sticky keys settings is a simple yet effective way for IT staff to improve accessibility and user experience. Backing up these personalized preferences saves time and ensures continuity, especially during major Windows updates or data loss. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to back up and restore sticky keys settings in Windows, linked in the description below.